Hello, and welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is emotionally challenging, legally complicated, and incredibly important: international child custody issues in Texas. This video will provide you with valuable information to navigate the complexities of international child custody disputes. As a family law attorney, I have seen firsthand how these disputes can impact parents and children alike. That is why I am excited to share my knowledge and expertise with you today. In this video, we'll discuss the various legal frameworks and jurisdictions involved in international child custody disputes, the importance of the Hague Convention, the Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction Enforcement Act, otherwise known as the UCC-JEA. Did you know that more than 1,000 children are abducted each year by a parent and taken to a foreign country, often leading to international child custody disputes? These disputes can be incredibly complicated and emotional, with parents fighting for custody across legal frameworks and jurisdictions. International child custody issues in Texas can be a challenging process. The challenges faced by parents involved in these disputes can be overwhelming, and it's essential to have a clear understanding of the relevant laws, conventions, and procedures involved in these disputes. Understanding the Hague Convention is critical in international child custody cases. The Hague Convention's central principle is to ensure jurisdiction over child custody disputes is determined by the child's habitual residence. This means if your child's taken to a foreign country, the child's habitual residence would still be the United States, if that is where the child has been living for an extended period of time. The UCC-JEA is another vital piece of legislation in the United States that governs interstates, international, and child custody disputes. The UCC-JEA is another critical tool for ensuring the best interests of the child are protected in custody disputes, regardless of the state or country involved. If you suspect your child may be at risk for international abduction, it is crucial to act quickly and seek legal assistance. International relocation and move-away cases can be challenging for parents. If one parent wishes to move the child to a different state or country with the child, the other parent may object, resulting in custody disputes. In these cases, the court will consider various factors, including the child's best interest, the reasons for the relocation, and the impact on the child's relationship with other parents. In Texas, courts prioritize the best interest of the child above all else in custody cases. That means a parent's immigration status is not the determining factor in custody decisions. However, immigration status may affect child support orders. Now let's talk about the issues of parental abduction in international child custody cases. This is a serious concern that parents need to be aware of, and there are steps that can take to prevent it. It is important to act quickly and seek legal assistance as soon as possible. The longer you wait, the harder it can be to resolve the situation. One effective way to prevent abduction is to establish a strong relationship with the other parent. By maintaining good communication and a positive relationship with the child's other parent, you can build trust and reduce the risk of abduction. It is important for parents to understand which state or country will handle their case. In some cases, jurisdiction may be contested, requiring the court to make a determination based on the best interest of the child. In addition to these legal considerations, there are also practical issues to consider, such as international relocation and move-away cases. These situations can be challenging for parents, and the court will consider various factors when deciding whether to allow an international relocation. It is important to remember, these cases can be complex and emotionally challenging. But with the right knowledge and guidance, you can navigate these challenges and achieve the best outcome for your child. Understanding the Hague Convention, the UCC-JEA, and other relevant laws and conventions is essential. By following these tips, And seeking legal assistance, you can approach your situation with confidence and protect the best interest of your child. If you need assistance with international child custody or an abduction case, the law offices of Bryan Fagan is there to help. Our experienced family law attorneys have the knowledge and expertise necessary to navigate this complex case and help you achieve the best outcome for your child. Don't hesitate to contact us today. Schedule a consultation.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.